Hey y'all, it's time to learn that biology, y'all. All right, welcome to your AP Biology class. Woo! All right, so first we're going to start out with understanding by design. So that means that you'll get the big umbrella. What are the big ideas? What are the main things that you need to know for this class? There are 4 big ideas, and you will see these concepts continuously throughout the entire year. So you kind of need to put these to memory. I want you to make sure that you put these in your notebook immediately on the first page. It would be good to color code them red, blue, yellow, and green. So let's go ahead and get to the red one, which is by the big idea number 1. The process of evolution drives diversity and unity of life. So anything that you read or that we talk about that has to do with evolution or diversity, being driven by evolution, you want to put that as the big idea number 1. So anything about Darwinism, the Galapagos Islands, phylogenetic trees, and things of that nature, that would be a big idea 1. The next big idea will be biological systems utilize free energy. Ding, 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 ding. Keyword there, free energy. So anytime that we're discussing energy, a transfer of energy, that would be a big idea number 2. Also, biological systems utilize free energy and molecule building blocks to grow, to reproduce, and to maintain dynamic homeostasis. So this also will have to do with your macromolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and the like. So whenever we're talking about those building blocks, or if we're talking about homeostasis, meaning to maintain our internal conditions, shivering, what are some other ways in which we have homeostasis? Anytime you have a stimulus and then a response to that stimulus to kind of bring your body back into balance, that would be considered homeostasis. Okay, so that would be big idea number 2. So big idea number 3 will be living systems store, retrieve, transmit, respond to information essential to life processes. So this would be like your genetics, or if we talk about anything having to do with human anatomy, systems of that nature, like immune systems, cardiovascular systems, lymphatic systems, things of that nature. Anything having to do with the system that helps us to grow with our processes of life. That would be your 3rd big idea. And lastly, the green big idea is kind of ecology based. Anytime you deal with diversity and the interaction of different types of species and the growth of species as they relate to one another, that's going to be your 4th big idea. So it is the biological system interact, and these systems and their interactions process complex properties. So what I want you to do in your notebook is to make sure to write down all 4 of these properties and to also color code them. You will see them throughout the year, and so you want to use these colors throughout the year to kind of like jot down things in your notebook to say, okay, this is big idea number 1, or this is big idea number 4. What you will find out is some of the concepts will include 1 to 2 big ideas, and it's important that you're able to kind of say, ding, I think that's big idea number 1. Ding, I think that's big idea number 3. I will help you with this, with scaffolding and things, but this is the introduction. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. All right. Talk to you later.